Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will show you how to insert many data using CMD command in the mongoose. In previous video, I have already shown you how to install the mongoose, MongoDB setup and Mongo Compass. You can watch my previous video. If you haven't installed MongoDB and mongoose. So So far, inserting the many data, first we need to check our MongoDB server is running or not. So for checking MongoDB server is running or not in the background, we need to open services. So I'm going to open the run 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 box. In here type services.mxc. In here we need to check Mongo services. Currently it is stopped. So if you are not going to run the MongoDB server using CMD, then you can start in here. It will work in the background, which is running in all the times when system is up. So I'm not going to run MongoDB server in the background. So let's close this and open the CMD or running the MongoDB server. One more thing, one once MongoDB server is running in the background in the CMD, then no need to stop the MongoDB. So there is a command MongoD which is run the MongoDB server. So let's enter it. Now MongoDB server is up. Once the MongoDB server is up, then you need to open another CMD command. In that command, you need to type mongoose. So let's go to our CMD. For opening the CMD, you need to press Window plus R button. In here, type CMD and enter it. You will see in here, type mongo sh command. Mongo sh command is basically interact with mongoose. Mongoose is used for interact the interact the CMD, used for creating the databases collection and inserting the data. So let's enter it. Now it is connected our running MongoDB server. Let's use the use command for creating or switching the one databases to another databases. So I am going to use insert many db. Insert many db. Insert many db. This is our databases name. Basically, first it will check that databases is already exist or not. If that databases is not exist, then it will create the new databases and switch that databases. If that databases is already there, then it's just switch the databases. So let's enter it. Now it is created the new databases and switched in that databases. For checking the all the databases, you you can you can use the command so dbs. I think this is the command. Yeah, you can see here by using so dbs you can see all the created databases. Admin config local, these are the by default databases which is created when MongoDB server is running. DB1 and DB2 databases I have created in I have created manually. I mean using CMD command. So currently I am in insert many DB databases. So DB. I think so DB command is used for current databases which is currently I am in DBS. Okay, it will not. So I think there is another command. I will check and I will show you in upcoming another video. So let's create the collection. So here we are going to create the collection db dot many insert collection. This command basically use for use for creating the collection. First it db dot many insert collection. db dot collection name, it will first check that collection is already exist or not. If that collection is already not there, then it will create the new collection. Otherwise it's just use already created collection. So here after the collection we need to use insert command. Insert command basically used in old version, and in upgraded version it is deprecated. You can use, but it will give a message it is deprecated. So you can use insert one command or insert many command. So I'm currently going to use insert one command for inserting one data in a single line. So here we are going to define name as a Putin and age as a 70. Also add the location. Also add the country. Don't add location. You just use country. So I'm going to use Russia in here because Putin belongs to Russia. So I'm going to close this one and enter it. Then it will give the response as I acknowledge true and give the primary key as a object ID. So enter it. Yeah, you can get the inserted ID. This is a object ID. It is a unique for every entry which is available in that collection. So let's find the data which is just inserted in the collection. So I'm going to use db many insert hyphen collections dot find. Find command basically used for retrieving all the data from that collection. So I'm entering it. By default, it is provided the pretty response as a default. No, you no need to write pretty after the find method like this one, because by default it is provided MongoDB. In old version, you need to write pretty command for retrieving the data as a JSON format. In here, by default, it is provided in a JSON format. So you don't need to add pretty command. So I'm going to use insert many command for inserting multiple data in a single CMD command. So I'm going to use db dot insert many hyphen collection dot insert many. In here we are going to use array command because we will insert multiple data. So that's why we need to use array. Here we are going to define name as a Trump and age as a 75 and country as a USA. Now close this one and start a new one. This is the new entry. Here we are going to add name as a name as a Modi. In here going to use age as a age as a 78. Now use country as a India. Now let's insert one another data. Three data we are going to insert in the collection using insert many command. So here we are going to add as a Henrik, age as a 20 hyphen country country as a USA. Close this one and close the array and one. It will, after entering it, it will give one acknowledge and three object ID as a response in the console. So let's enter it. You can see here it is provided one acknowledge and inserted data's ID in a single unit. So let's retrieve all the inserted data in the collection. Insert many hyphen collections collection dot find. It will give four data. You can see here first one, second one, and third one. Why insert many? I think we have created two collection. Many insert collection. Where is Henrik? I think we have missed something. db dot insert many. Oh, insert many. Oh, we have used two different collection name. You can see here in previous insert one. You can see here insert one. We have used the collection name many insert hyphen collection. This is the one collection name many insert collection. In here we have used different name insert many collection. So that's why it is showing only three data, and if we are going to use insert many insert, it will give one data. So in this video I have shown you how to create the collections and how to insert multiple data in the single command. So upcoming video I will show you how to use conditional operator like earlier we are using in SQL and so on relational databases. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get further update. Thank you.